Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your GMT and where you are. Are you a Ghanaian, Nigerian, Australian, American, whatever? I just want to thank you for watching my tutorials, my videos, and subscribing to my channel. I say God bless you so much. Okay. But don't forget, if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button to subscribe and click on the notification button so that you'll be the first to see my tutorial whenever I drop it. And I repeat, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification button so that you'll be the first to get my tutorial videos whenever I upload. Okay, I thank you. So today we're just gonna learn two ways of removing a picture background. Two ways we can remove a picture background. Okay, so remove. The first one is using an app called Remove VG. This app, so you just click on it and then you on your data. So you click on it, it opens. When it opens, you see we have upload image here. You click on upload image. Now where your pictures are, you come to your gallery, then you choose the picture that you want to upload. So let me say in my downloads, I just wanna take the background of one picture. So I'm going to select this picture. So you click on it. You see, automatically it will be removed if your data is on. Then you click on your download. It will be saved in your gallery. Now you see, it's just simple as ABCD. You see, the background is off. It's left with the picture. This is the first step. Now let's move to the second step. You don't want to use the app, you can use your Google Chrome. So you open your Chrome, then you type remove.bg. Please take note, it's remove.bg. You search for that, then it's loading. So if you don't want to use the first step, that is downloading the app, you just use the site or your Google Chrome, then you launch remove.bg. It's loading. Now you see, this is how it is like. So we have remove image background, we have upload image here. So you click on this upload image. This is without the app. You see, upload image. So the same image, this one, I click on it and then I click done. You see, it's removed background. So you see, now it has been removed. You click on your download. Now it has been downloaded into your gallery. Now let's go and check whether it's there or not. So you come here, you go to remove BG. Now this is my remove BG. This here. So you click on that folder and you can see it has a white background though, but when I open, you see that it has no background. You see, these are the pictures that I took the background. You see, so these are the simple two simple steps you can do what? Change your picture, remove your picture background. Okay, if you wanna change the background too, I'm gonna give you a tutorial very soon. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Always I offer you the best Okay, thanks for watching. God bless you.